Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be comparing N8N and Dify to see if which one is better. So let's start by having a quick overview. So N8N is a powerful open source workflow automation tool. So you can think of it as an alternative to Zapier, but with a deeper customization, more control, and local or cloud deployment options. While Dify, on the other hand, it focuses on building AI applications using large language models. So it's designed for teams and developers who want to create and deploy AI assistants and tools faster. So for the use case and purpose, let's talk about it. On the N8N, it is a best for automating tasks, integrating APIs, CRMs, and cloud tools. While the Dify, it is ideal for AI-based workflows, LLM applications, and co-pilots. So the N8N shines when you need data to flow between systems like Airtable, Google Sheets, or Discord. While the Dify, it excels when your goal is to deploy something like a GPT-powered chatbot or document Q&A bot. So let's move forward with the interface and UX. So N8N features a drag and drop node interface that's intuitive for developers and non-tech users alike. For the Dify, it provides a clean UI with LLM prompt editing, memory, variables, and API-ready application deployment. Now for the pricing. So N8N offers a free self-hosted version and paid cloud options. So it depends on you. If you want to try it out, you can try for the free. And if you want to explore more, you can do the paid cloud. For the Dify, it is open source too, so with a hosted version available for teams. So the conclusion is, if you're focused on automating web tools and back-end logic, you go with the N8N. But if you want to build and deploy AI applications with LLMs, Dify is the clear winner here. So ultimately, N8N and Dify are both powerful, so just for different use cases. So choose based on whether your need is automation or AI application development rather. So that's it for our comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!